Welcome to Learning Module number 15, Wellness Principle number 7, Acid-Alkaline Balance and Restoring pH Balance in Your Body. This is Dr. Stephen Bizzall. In this learning module, we're going to discuss something happening inside your body every single second of your life, your acid-alkaline pH balance. As you are listening to this right now, millions of chemical reactions are occurring inside of you every second. Your ability to think, to breathe, to digest, to detoxify, to repair tissue, to produce energy, every one of those functions depends on chemistry. And optimal chemistry depends on maintaining the proper pH balance in your internal biological environment. pH stands for the potential of hydrogen. It measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in your body, and the scale runs from 1 to 14. 1 is highly acidic, 4 is highly alkaline. Optimal health exists in a very narrow range within your body, neutral to slightly alkaline, roughly 7.0 to 7.4. Your blood functions best between 7.35 and 7.45. Your brain, your heart, your muscles, each requires a tightly regulated pH to function properly. This balance is called homeostasis, and when it is disrupted, function declines. In today's world, the body is far more likely to become overly acidic than overly alkaline. Why? It's because of lifestyle, because of stress, because of diet, because of environmental toxins. Every day, your metabolism also creates acid. Exercise creates acid. Emotional and psychological stress creates acid in the body. High-fat diets, high-protein diets, high sugar content, processed foods, alcohol, caffeine, smoking, all increase acidity. When the body becomes chronically acidic, it must buffer that acidity. It does so using alkaline minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. If those mineral reserves are insufficient, the body will pull them from its own tissue, from bone, from muscle, from vital reserves. Chronic acidity creates the internal environment in which degenerative disease thrives, cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. And acidic terrain sets the stage. Your body does have effective buffering systems. Your lungs eliminate acid through breathing. Your kidneys filter and create acid in urine. Your liver neutralizes toxins. Your intestines eliminate waste. And your skin eliminates acid through perspiration. But these systems can become overwhelmed, especially in the world of ultra-processed food, chemical exposure, chronic stress, and insufficient mineral intake. Everything you eat and drink is either acid-performing or alkaline-forming once metabolized. As a general rule, processed and cooked foods tend to be more acid-forming. Animal proteins and fats are more acid-forming. Refined grains are more acid-forming. Sugary beverages are highly acid-forming. In contrast, raw fruits and vegetables, roots, nuts, and seeds have a tendency to be alkaline-forming. They supply the mineral reserves necessary to buffer the acidity in the body. Now understand this. A healthy body requires balance. The operative word is quality. High-quality foods, high-quality hydration, high-quality lifestyle habits. But if the scale is tipped heavily towards acid-forming inputs, the body pays the price. Even obesity can be influenced by an overly acidic environment. When your blood becomes too acidic, chemical reactions are triggered that inhibit fat release. In this way, even excess weight can be a protective response to internal imbalance. Here is your assignment. First, Eat at least one serving of fresh, raw, organic fruits or vegetables every single day to rebuild your mineral reserves. Second, eliminate sugary, acid-forming drinks for 1 week. Replace them with water. Feel the difference. Third, remove ultra-processed foods from your diet. Your body will respond quickly. Your internal terrain determines your health. You cannot create optimal function in an imbalanced environment. Restore your pH. Restore your mineral reserves. Restore your internal balance. This is Dr. Stephen Bizzall. Honor your chemistry. Respect your internal biological environment, and move one step closer to creating the optimal you.